If you lost 60% of an organ, could it grow back? For your liver, the answer is yes. It's the body's built-in repair factory. Your liver is busy 24/7. It filters blood, processes nutrients, builds proteins, stores glycogen and vitamins, and neutralizes toxins. With a job that intense, failure isn't an option. So evolution gave it a regeneration mode. Here's the wild part. After surgical removal or damage, the remaining liver can regrow its mass in days to weeks. Not by making a brand new mini liver from scratch, but by the existing cells expanding and dividing until the organ reaches the right size again. Form follows function. It grows to the workload you need. What actually happens? Phase 1. Wake-up signals. Within hours, blood-borne cues like IL-6 and TNF-A tell hepatocytes, your liver cells, to leave rest mode. Phase 2. Cells cycle on. Growth factors like HGF and EGF flip the divide switch. Hepatocytes copy their DNA and split. Other cells, bile duct cells, endothelial cells, stellate cells, follow. Phase 3. Stop at just right. Once mass and blood flow match the body's needs, braking signals kick in so the liver doesn't overgrow. This isn't unlimited magic. Regeneration needs healthy baseline tissue. If the liver is chronically inflamed or scarred, think fibrosis or cirrhosis, the scaffolding gets stiff, blood flow warps, and the repair program misfires. The same organ that can regrow can also get stuck trying, building scar instead of healthy cells. Real-world examples. Living donor transplants. Surgeons remove a lobe for the recipient. Both donor and recipient livers regain functional mass over weeks. Acute injury recovery. After a toxic hit, e.g. overdose, is treated fast, the liver can bounce back surprisingly well. Metabolic resets. When people reduce alcohol, lose weight, or treat hepatitis, liver fat and inflammation can drop, and function improves as the organ remodels. Daily choices that help the repair crew. 1. Dose matters. Your liver handles alcohol, meds, and chemicals, but too much overwhelms enzymes and creates toxic byproducts. 2. Protein and micronutrients. The liver is a protein factory. Adequate protein, plus B vitamins, choline, zinc, support the machinery. 3. Fiber and movement. Fiber helps bile estrogen recycling. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, easing fat load on the liver. 4. Sleep. Many liver genes follow a circadian rhythm. Regular sleep supports the daily repair schedule. 5. Medical basics. Vaccines against hepatitis A, B, screening treatment for hepatitis C, and checking drug interactions with a professional. General info, not medical advice. Common myths, quickly. Detox teas cleanse the liver. Your liver is the detox. Support the organ, don't rely on gimmicks. Once damaged, it's game over. Some damage is reversible. Reduce the hit, and the liver can remodel toward normal. Fatty liver equals alcohol. Non-alcoholic fatty liver, now MASLD, is common with insulin resistance. Different path, similar risk if ignored. Thought experiment. Remove half the liver in a model organism. Within a week, the remnant swells, divides, and reorganizes. The body doesn't rebuild original shape first. It restores capacity first, then refines structure. Function over form. Smart design. Recap. The liver can regrow mass after injury or surgery. It works via rapid cell division plus coordinated support cells. Healthy tissue, blood flow, and signals decide success. Lifestyle and medical basics shift the odds in your favor. Your liver is quietly fixing you today. Give it what it needs, and it can fix even more. Into practical, high-impact biology? Subscribe. New long-form curiosity every Sunday.